Hello guys, my name is Sherif Lawani, and for today's tutorial we will talk about how to encrypt a disk using LUKS encryption. Alright, so what is LUKS encryption? LUKS stand for Linux Unified Key Setup. It's, it's a disk encryption specification created by Clement Frohwerf in 2004 and was originally intended for Linux. So we can use logs to encrypt a standard partition, a raw disk, an LVM, a multipath, and a flash drive. So now let's get our hand dirty and follow the steps to encrypt a disk. So the first step is to have a disk available, any disk. Right. So I added a brand new disk in my server slash SDB, has 5 gig in size. So the next thing to do is to make sure that the package cryptsetup is installed. So by running yum install cryptsetup. So we can see that it's already installed. So the next thing to do is to activate it, the loss module in the kernel by running mod probe dm underscore crypt. We can make sure that is activated by running the command lsmod and grep for dm crypt. As you can see, is activated in the kernel. So the next thing we have to do is to now initialize the LUKS device. So to initialize it, we need to run the command cryptsetup LUKS format and specify the disk, or the partition, or the logical volume. So you need to pay attention to the syntax. LUKS format is uppercase F. And of course, it's gonna ask us to enter a passphrase. So, but first we need to type yes. So make sure that you type uppercase yes. If not, it will fail. So the passphrase, which is space. So after we create a passphrase, we need to uh, map the device by giving a mapping name. So by running the command logs cryptsetup logs open slash dev sdb the disk or the partition, and then the mapping name. So I'm gonna name it top secret, and of course it's gonna ask us for the passphrase. Okay, there we go, it's done already. So at this point we can verify if logs is activated on the device. So to do so, we can run the command cryptsetup status and the mapping name. So we can see that it's now active. So if you don't see active, that means something is wrong. We can also check it by running lsblog command. So in the type colon, we can see that for SDB top secret, we have crypt. So that means this disk or partition is encrypted. So the next thing to do, we have to now mount it. So to mount it, we need to first create a file system on the encrypted device. So by running makefs.sfs slash dev mapper and the map name. So we just created a file system on the encrypted device. So then we need to add an entry in fstab. So slash dev mapper top secret. The mount point is secret. The file system type SFS. The mount options default 0, 0. The next thing is crypt tab. So in this file, it's really important to add entry here. I'm going to explain it right now. So the reason is this will allow the system to like mount automatically this, the encrypted partition or the encrypted disk whenever the system reboots. So to do so, we need to first enter the MAPU name, which is top secret, the disk /dev sdb, and then we have two options right here. The first option is none. So if I specify none, that means whenever the server reboots, the server will prompt us to enter the passphrase to mount the encrypted device. Or we also have the second option, which is we have to specify a file that in which we save the passphrase. So this option, if you use this option, whenever the server reboots, the server will automatically mount the encrypted partition without asking or without prompting for any passphrase. So after this is done, the next step is to create that file. Let's get the key and then enter the passphrase, which is passphrase, the passphrase that I use to format, to initialize the partition or the disk. Okay, so next we need to tell the system that hey, the file, the key, the file that contains the passphrase is in this file. So by running the command cryptstatus logs add key, and again uppercase A and uppercase K. So /dev sdb, and then specify the full path of the file that has the passphrase, and of course it's going to ask us for the passphrase. So after the passphrase has been added, we need to secure that file by running the chmod command 400 on the file that has the passphrase. And then the next step is to create the mount point. /secret. Okay. So after that, everything is now ready. We can now mount our logs encrypted disk or partition. So by running mount /secret. So to make sure that it's mounted, we need to run df-h command to verify that it's mounted. So we can see this is in the last line. We can see that the encrypted disk or partition has been mounted successfully. So now to make sure or to validate our configuration, I'll reboot the server and make sure that the server will automatically mount our encrypted disk or partition. So let's go ahead and reboot the server. So the server is rebooting. It's gonna take like two minutes to reboot. All right, the server is back up. So let's become root and run df-h to confirm if the encrypted file system has been mounted. As we can see right here, we can see that it's mounted. So this is how you can encrypt a disk or a partition or even an LVM, and then make it persistent, mount it persistently, so that next time the server reboots, the encrypted partition will automatically be mounted. Thank you. Bye.